How's it, guys? I recently needed to renew my cell phone contract, so I grabbed the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is my unboxing and a first of my few impressions. So what do you get in the box? Well, of course you get the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with the S Pen included in its silo, a clear protective gel case which Samsung has kindly thrown in for free, a USB Type-C super fast charger with a meter-long USB Type-C to Type-C cable, some included USB Type-C AKG earbud-style earphones, and a lovely little box with the prerequisite literature and your little SIM ejecty tool. Right off the bat, let me tell you that this phone is an absolute unit. Luckily, I'm a bit of a meaty boy with massive meat hooks for hands, so I personally find it quite manageable in one hand. This phone is gorgeous. I love the unapologetic camera hump with this mystic bronze look and feel. It gives me a real classy look, and the porthole cutouts for the cameras remind me a lot of Bioshock. The screen is absolutely gorgeous and fills the entire display, with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor hidden under the screen being a little hit or miss so far. Right after completing the setup of logging in my Google accounts and such, I decided to take a quick trip up to the roof of my building to play around with the camera. And look at that zoom. While I don't ever see myself using the 50 times zoom on account of the level of pixelation, I'm not going to argue with such a versatile camera. I look forward to showing you guys what one can do with such a shooter. I roped in my siblings to see if I could go and shoot a little bit more footage. And when I got there, I realized that it's not just with images that this phone has idiot-proof shooting capabilities. These clips show that even being a moron, you can capture cinematic-looking videos with little to no effort. Please sit back and enjoy my younger brothers being freaking adorable. Because I grabbed the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra on pre-order, I managed to snag a free set of Galaxy Buds Live, as well as a Galaxy Watch 3, so keep an eye out for my coverage on those accessories. Thanks for watching, and I will be getting the full review of this phone done once I've had a little bit more time with it. Catch you later.